Hello students, good morning everyone. Today let us see exercise 5.2 sixth problem. It is proved that the length of latest rectum of the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1 is 2b square by a. Now let us draw the hyperbola at first. The equation is given here. So from this equation I can understand that the transverse axis is x-axis. Let me draw the hyperbola at first. So this is x-axis and this is y-axis. This is the center, that is C of 0, 0, and here the curve. So this is the hyperbola and this is A. A is of A, 0 and this is S. S is AE, 0. And if I draw the latest rectum through S, I want to draw a latest rectum. It touches the hyperbola here. So it is L and L dash. These are the latest rectum. So it is S. S is AE, 0 and this is A dash. A dash is minus A, 0. This is S dash. S dash is minus AE, 0. Now let us find this L and L dash. So let L and L dash are the end points of latest rectum of hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. Now let me write the equation, that is the point of L. What is the distance between C and S? It is AE. So I can write the point as AE, what is the distance between this L and S? It is Y1 because I don't know the distance. So here I can write, so this distance is AE and this distance is Y1 minus Y1. I can write like this. Now L of AE, Y1 lies on hyperbola. Then take this as x and this is y and substitute in this equation. So which implies the equation becomes, instead of x write AE. So AE the whole square by A square minus, instead of y write y1. Y1 the whole square by b square is equal to 1. Now squaring these two numbers, it becomes a square e square by a square minus y1 the whole square by b square is equal to 1. A square get cancelled. Bring this number that side, 1 to left hand side. So it becomes y1 square by b square is equal to e square minus 1. So that is, bring this 1 this side, e square minus 1, bring the whole number that side, this minus become plus. So it becomes like this. Once again y1 the whole square is equal to, bring this b square this side, so b square of e square minus 1. Now we know that c square is equal to a square plus b square is the formula. Now from this, instead of this c square, you write a square e square is equal to a square plus b square. Then bring b square is equal to a square e square. Bring this a square this side minus a square. So b square is equal to, take a square as common. So the remaining is e square minus 1. Now what is the value of e square minus 1? It is b square by a square is equal to e square minus 1. Take it as a rough column. Now instead of this e square minus 1, substitute b square minus a square. So y1 the whole square is equal to b square into b square by a square. Do you understand the value of e square minus 1? Now multiply these two. Y1 the whole square is equal to b power 4 by a square. Therefore, y1 is equal to square root of b power 4 by a square. So, which is equal to plus or minus b square by a. So, I can write the points as like this. AE comma y1 is equal to AE comma b square by a. And L dash is AE comma minus b square by a. Now length of lattice rectum. That is L dash is equal to. How to find the length of L dash? Use distance formula and find. The distance formula is square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Take it as x1 y1 and this is as x2 comma y2. Now substitute here. L dash is equal to square root of AE minus AE the whole square plus y2 minus b square by a minus b square by a to the whole square. So L dash is equal to, now this becomes 0 and add these two LCM, that is the denominator is the same. So minus 2b square by a to the whole square. So squaring this minus 2b square becomes positive. Since it is negative becomes positive and square root get cancelled. So L dash is equal to 2b square by a. So therefore the length of lattice rectum of hyperbola is 2b square by a. Hence proved. Now 7th question, exercise 5.2. So that the absolute value of difference of the focal distances of any point P on the hyperbola is the length of its transverse axis. Now to prove this, let us draw the hyperbola at first. X, Y, X dash, Y dash. And this is the hyperbola and the lattice rectums are. Now let us mark all the points. So now we know that C, this is C 0, 0 and this is A 0 and this is S. And here if I take a point P of x comma y, now this is S is AE comma 0 and we want to prove that here it is A dash is minus A comma 0 and this is S dash minus AE comma 0. And we know the directrices equation is x is equal to a by e. Here it is x is equal to minus a by e. We want to prove that the absolute value of the difference of the focal distances of any point P. Now I have taken a point P on the hyperbola P of x comma y and I want to prove SP, the distance and the S dash P. To prove absolute value, therefore take modulus. So S dash P is the greatest distance, so I will take like this S dash P, and the difference means take minus SP is equal to length of transverse axis is 2A, so which implies length of transverse axis. So for this first step, now proof. Let P of x comma y be a point on hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. Next one, draw M and M dash through P perpendicular to L and L dash. L and L dash are the directrices. Now let me draw PM. So it is perpendicular. So it is M. So the point M is on the directrix L and L dash. So this is perpendicular distance, it is M dash. So draw M and M dash through P perpendicular to L and L dash. And the next one, draw PN perpendicular to x axis. Draw PN perpendicular to x axis. So this is N. So PN perpendicular to x axis. Now if I take the point Z which cuts the x axis on the directrix is here, and this is Z dash. Now what would be the point here Z? The distance is A by E. C to S is AE. C to A is A. So it divides this distance by the constant. So the point is A by E comma 0. Z dash is minus A by E comma 0. Now by definition, of hyperbola, we know that SP by PM is a constant. So SP by PM is a constant. Now bring this PM this side, cross multiply, it becomes SP is equal to E of PM. Now look at this distance, PM is equal to NEZ. PM is equal to NEZ. So I can write SP is equal to E of NEZ. Now how to find NEZ? This distance, first you find C to N, this distance, and find C to Z, that is this distance. From the total distance, subtract this CZ, you will get NEZ. So you write the equation here like this, SP is equal to E of the total distance is Cn minus CZ. Now SP is equal to E of, what is Cn? We don't know, but it is on the x-axis. So approximately we can take it as x minus CZ. Here it is A by E comma 0. Therefore the distance between C to Z is A by E. Now multiply this E inside. So SP is equal to EX minus EE, get cancelled A. So take it as first equation. So similarly take S dash P by S dash P by PM dash is a constant, that is eccentricity E. Now cross multiply S dash P by PM dash, cross multiply, then we will get S dash P is equal to E of P M dash. Now S dash P is equal to E of P M dash is equal to N Z dash. Now how to find this N Z dash? Now we know Cn and this distance I want. So I want to add these two distances, then I can get N Z, the total distance. So S dash P is equal to E of, முதல்ல ரெண்டையுமே ஆட் பண்ண வேண்டியிருக்கு. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் Cn plus Cz dash. S dash P is equal to E of Cn x ன்னு எடுத்துக்கலாம். Cz dash AE. Take the distance alone, so neglect the sign. So it is A by E. Bring E inside, so S dash P is equal to Ex plus A. This is equation 2. Now we want to prove S dash P minus Sp. Now take the difference. Absolute value of S dash P minus Sp is equal to absolute value of S dash P is Ex plus A minus Sp is Ex minus A. So bring this Ex plus A, multiply this minus inside, minus Ex plus A. So Ex get cancelled, which is equal to A plus A, 2A. So modulus of 2A is 2A. So which implies என்ன கிடைச்சிருக்கு, modulus of S dash P minus Sp is equal to 2A, which implies the length of lattice rectum. Hence proved. Which implies length of transverse axis. Hence proved. Now it is exercise 5.3. இந்த exerciseல என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா, now in this exercise let us see the type of conic. How to find the type of conic from the given equation. Now first of all let me write the general equation. Of conic, that is second degree. General equation of conic is ax square plus bxy plus cy square plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0. This is the second degree equation, that is general equation of conic. So if a equation is given like this, how to find whether it is a circle or parabola or ellipse or hyperbola? So condition number 1. If A is equal to C is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0 and D is equal to minus 2h and E is equal to minus 2k, therefore F is equal to h square plus k square minus r square. Then this equation reduces to this form: x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to r square. Now do you remember this equation? What is this equation? It represents circle. அப்போ ஒரு சர்க்கிள் ஈக்குவேஷன்னா எப்படி இருக்கும்? b 0வா இருக்கும். அப்போ xy டேர்ம் இருக்காது. x ஸ்கொயர் y ஸ்கொயர் இருக்கும். ஆனால் ரெண்டுமே ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கும். கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கும். கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் 1ஆகவும் இருக்கும். a is equal to c is equal to 1. இந்த ரெண்டு கண்டிஷன் வந்தாலே you can say that the equation is a circle. For example, x square plus y square plus 4x plus y minus 4 equal to 0. Look at this equation. Compare with this second degree equation. ax square plus bxy. No xy term. So b equal to 0. So a equal to 1 and c. c is coefficient of y square. இந்த ரெண்டையும் பாருங்க. Equation இந்த ரெண்டும் a and c are equal and also equal to the coefficient is 1. இப்படி இருந்துச்சுன்னா it is a circle னு எழுதிடலாம். Equation பார்த்தோன்னே எழுதிடலாம். Then second condition. If b equal to 0, first xy term இருக்காது and either a equal to 0 or c equal to 0. இப்போ இந்த condition இருந்துச்சுன்னா which implies parabola. Or else you can take this as a discriminant form, that is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, which implies parabola. இப்போ நான் ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் கொடுக்குறேன். எக்ஸாம்பிள் x square minus x minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. இப்போ இந்த எக்ஸாம்பிள் பாருங்க. This is so இதில் வந்து செகண்ட் டிகிரி ஈக்குவேஷனோட கம்பேர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ax square minus bx minus ey minus f equal to 0ன்னு இருக்கு. அப்போ இதில் bங்கிற டேர்ம் இருக்கா, xy டேர்ம் இருக்கா? இல்லை. ஸோ b equal to 0. either a equal to 0 or c equal to 0. cங்கிறது y square term. இந்த y square term இங்கே இல்லை. and I can say c is equal to 0. but a is not equal to 0. இப்போ இந்த term பார்த்தோன்னே I can say that it is a parabola. இப்போ in case இந்த condition ஞாபகம் வச்சிருக்க கஷ்டமா இருக்குன்னு சொன்னா you can take this b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. இங்க நீங்க என்ன எழுதிக்கலாம்? b equal to 0, a equal to 1, c equal to 0. so b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 minus 4 into 1 into 0. so 4 into 0 is 0 equal to 0. இப்போ b square minus 4ac 0 வந்துச்சுன்னா parabola-ன்னு எழுதலாம். ஏதாவது ஒரு கண்டிஷன் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. and let me go to the third condition. இப்போ third condition இதே மாதிரி தான். இப்போ a is not equal to c ஆ இருக்கும் and a and c are of same sign. இப்படி இருந்துச்சுன்னா இத எலிப்ஸ் அப்படின்னு எடுத்துக்கலாம். a and c, that is x square term and y square term is not equal, that is the coefficients are not equal and a and c are of same sign. same sign இருந்துச்சுன்னா எலிப்ஸ்னு எடுத்துக்கலாம். அல்லது that is b square minus 4ac is less than 0 கிடைக்கலாம். that is நெகட்டிவா வரலாம். இப்படி வந்தாலும் எலிப்ஸ்னு எடுத்துக்கலாம். now let me give you a example. 4x square plus 16y square minus 64 is equal to 0. இப்போ first condition apply ஆகுதான்னு பாருங்க. so ax square and y square terms are a and c. the coefficients are, look at the coefficients, they are different, they are not equal. So first condition applied. A is not equal to C. The coefficients are different. And A and C are of same sign. A and C same sign. Plus plus nu irukku. So இத பார்த்த உடனே you can write it is an ellipse. Second condition நான் கொடுத்தது கரெக்டா இருக்கான்னு பாருங்க. B square minus 4AC. இதுல A is equal to 4, B equal to 0, C equal to 16. So B square minus 4AC is equal to 0 minus 4 into 4 into 16. So which is equal to 16 16s are 256 minus 256. So which is negative, so less than 0. So எப்படி எடுத்தாலும், so this equation implies ellipse. Do you understand? Now let me go to the fourth condition. Fourth condition இதே மாதிரி A is not equal to C and A and C opposite signல இருக்கும். இப்படி இருந்துச்சுன்னா ஹைப்பர்போலான்னு எடுத்துக்கலாம். இதுக்கு ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள். Four x square minus 9y square minus 16x plus 18y minus 29 equal to 0. இப்போ x square y square in the terms ஓட coefficients தான் a and c. Look at this, a equal to 4, c equal to 9, so they are not equal. So a is not equal to c. And also a and c are of opposite sign. Opposite signல இருக்கு பாருங்க. a வந்து plusல இருக்கு, c minusல இருக்கு. So இந்த condition பார்த்தோம்னே we can write this is a hyperbola. Or else we can go to the next condition, b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Greater than 0 வந்துச்சுன்னா it's a hyperbola. Let us check. b square minus 4ac is equal to, b is 0 minus 4, a is 4 into minus 9. See, minus minus plus ஆயிடும். So 16 nines are 96 plus 96 greater than 0. So which implies hyperbola. Now fifth condition, if A equal to C and B equal to, D equal to, E equal to, F equal to 0. இப்படி இருந்துச்சுன்னா இது வந்து ஒரு பாயிண்ட்னு எடுத்துக்கலாம். So example, x square plus y square equal to 0. See, A and C coefficients of x square and y square is equal and other terms are 0. Then it is a point. Then the sixth condition, if A equal to C equal to F, மற்றதெல்லாம் 0 இருந்துச்சுன்னா and others are 0, then it is an empty set. So that is no real solution. So x square plus y square plus 1 equal to 0. Minus 1 ன்னு வரும். So no real solution. So no real solution. And the seventh condition, A is not equal to 0 or C is not equal to 0. Others are 0. இப்படி இருந்துச்சுன்னா coordinate axis அப்படின்னு எடுத்துக்கலாம். இப்போ example, x square equal to 0. That is A is not equal to 0. அப்போ x is equal to 0 னா which implies y axis. அப்படின்னு எடுத்துக்கலாம். Then eighth condition, A is equal to minus C, others are 0. Therefore, it implies pair of straight lines. Example, x square minus y square equal to 0. Thank you.